Hello everybody. Today discuss Mathematics 2A syllabus and weightage and model paper of the Mathematics 2A in MPC second year and MEC second year students. See students, Mathematics 2A having total 10 chapters. In these 10 chapters divided two parts, that is first to 8 chapters. Chapter number 1 to chapter number 8 belongs to algebra part. Which part? Algebra part. Algebra part from 1 to 8 chapters. After that 9th 10th chapter, these two chapter belongs to probability part. Which part? Probability part. In this algebra having 8 chapters. In this algebra, first chapter is complex numbers. What is the first chapter? Complex numbers. Second chapter is De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem. Second chapter is what? De Moivre's theorem. Third chapter is quadratic expressions. Quadratic expressions or second degree expressions or quadratic equations. Next, fourth chapter is theory of equations. Theory of equations. Fourth chapter is a theory of equation. Fifth chapter is permutations and combinations. Permutations and combination is the fifth chapter. Sixth chapter is binomial theorem. Which theorem? Binomial theorem. This is the sixth chapter. Seventh chapter is partial fractions. Which fractions? Partial fractions. This is the seventh chapter. Eighth chapter is measurement of dispersion. Eighth chapter is what? Measurement of dispersion or measures of dispersion. This chapter also be called statistics. Statistics. This is the eighth chapter. This eighth chapter belongs to algebra part in Mathematics 2A. Next, probability part. In this probability having two chapters. One is first chapter of probability, that is the ninth chapter of Mathematics 2A, that is probability. Ninth chapter is what? Probability. Probability second chapter, that is 10th chapter, last chapter of Mathematics 2A. 10th chapter is random variables and probability distributions. Random variables and probability distribution. This is the 10th chapter or last chapter of the Mathematics 2A, second chapter of the probability part. In Mathematics 2A having total 10 chapters. In this 10 chapter, first chapter to 8th chapter belongs to algebra part. 9th 10th chapter belongs to probability part. This is the Mathematics 2A syllabus. In this Mathematics 2A, what is the model paper of Telangana Board of Intermediate? Model paper. Model paper. In this Mathematics 2A having 3 sections. How many sections? 3 sections. Section A. Section A belongs to only 2 marks questions. Section A belongs to only 2 marks question, very short answer questions. In this section A, you can given 10 questions, you can write 10 out of 10 answers. Each answer carry 2 marks. 10 questions are given, you can write 10 question answers. 10 twos are 20 marks coming to the section A. 20 marks coming to the Board of Intermediate Examination. Very short answer questions, 20 marks. That is the 2 marks questions in section A. Next, section B. Section B belongs to 4 marks questions. Section B belongs to 4 marks questions. This is short answer questions. Which questions? Short answer questions. In the short answer questions, 7 questions are given. 7 questions are given. You can write any 5 questions out of 7. 5 out of 7. 5 out of 7. 7 questions are given. You can write any 5 questions. Each question carry 4 marks. 5 4s are how much? 20 marks. 20 marks coming to the section B. 20 marks coming to the section B. short answer questions. 7 questions are given. You can write any 5 questions. Next, section C. Section C belongs to 7 marks question, essay questions. This section C long answer type questions. Which type questions? Long answer or essay questions. In this 7 marks questions, 7 questions are given. You can write any 5 questions. 7 questions are given. You can write 5 out of 7 questions. You can write any 5 questions out of 7 questions. Each question carries 7 marks. 5 7s are 35 marks coming to the Board of Intermediate Examination. Section C, essay questions or long answer type questions. Total how many marks? Here 20 marks, section A very short answer questions. 20 marks, section B short answer questions. 35 marks, section C long answer questions. Total 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 35, 75 marks coming to the Board of Intermediate Examination, Mathematics 2A, MPC and MEC second year students. This is a model paper of Mathematics 2A. Next, what is the weightage of Mathematics 2A each chapter? Here, Mathematics 2A having 10 chapters, first chapter of algebra, that is complex number. In this complex number, coming to the 2 marks questions, 2 marks questions, 1 4 marks question, total 8 marks. 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, total 8 marks coming to the Mathematics 2A complex number chapter. Second chapter, De Moivre's theorem. In this De Moivre's theorem, 1 2 marks question, 1 7 marks question, total 9 marks coming to the Mathematics 2A De Moivre's theorem, total 9 marks. Next chapter, quadratic expression. In this quadratic expression, 1 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, total 6 marks coming to the IP examination in quadratic expression. 1 2 marks, 1 4 marks. Next, theory of equation also be 1 2 marks question, 1 7 marks question, total 9 marks. 1 2 marks, 1 7 marks, total 9 marks coming to the IP examination. In this chapter, theory of equation. Next, permutation and combination. In this permutation and combination, total 2 marks question, 2 4 marks question coming to the Board of Intermediate Examination. 1 2 marks question permutation, 1 4 marks question permutation. 1 2 marks, 1 4 marks coming to the permutation, 1 2 marks, 1 7 marks coming to the combination. Total how many marks? 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12 marks coming to the permutation and combination. Permutation coming to 6 marks, combination coming to 6 marks, total 12 marks coming to the IP examination. Next chapter, binomial theorem. In this binomial theorem, 1 2 marks question, 2 7 marks question. 1 2 marks question, 2 7 marks question, total 16 marks. This is a long chapter. 16 marks coming to the IP examination. 2 7 marks, 1 2 marks. Next, partial fraction. In the chapter coming to the only 1 4 marks question. Only 1 4 marks question coming to the 7th partial fractions. After that, measurement of dispersion coming to the 1 2 marks question, 1 2 marks question, 1 7 marks question, total 9 marks. 1 2 marks question, 1 7 marks question, total 9 marks coming to the measures of dispersion or statistics. Next, probability. In this probability coming to the 4 marks, 2 4 marks question, 1 7 marks question. 2 4 marks questions, 1 7 marks question. 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 7, 15 marks. 15 marks coming to the probability chapter in IP examination. 15 marks, 1 7 marks, 2 4 marks. Last chapter, random variables and probability distribution. In the chapter coming to the 1 2 marks question, 1 7 marks question, total 9 marks. 1 2 marks question, 1 7 marks question, total 9 marks coming to the random variable and probability distribution. This is the weightage of each chapter in Mathematics 2A. Students, watch this video total. You get positive thinking, syllabus explained, model paper explained, and weightage of each chapter in mathematics 2A also be explained. Okay, thank you students.